Well, snoring, it's coming from more of a personal experience for me. I remember when I was really young, I used to be really upset and frustrated with my father because he used to snore every night to the extent that, unfortunately, I used to hate my dad for that. Crying nights because I wanted to sleep and I cannot get the sleep I wanted. So it does have a bit of a personal touch for me, understanding what the suffering of the person is and how that actually affected the family, affected my mother, and the whole of us as well. So more we get to know about snoring, we do actually see that in Australia, for example, there's about 1 in 3 Australians that they suffer from sleep disorder breathing. And general statistics around the world that they show that there's about 1 in 5 they do have a mild obstructive sleep apnea, and 1 in 15 they have a moderate obstructive sleep apnea. This is quite a bit of a scary statistics because it's only up to 20% of those are being diagnosed, and as fewer of those has actually received a proper treatment. So yeah, we're living around everyone on the road pretty much could be having a lack of sleep.